Hey guys, today we're putting together a simple fruit dip that's perfect for your adult summer get-togethers. Let's take a look at the ingredients and get this party started. We're going to start by adding a stick of butter to a saucepan. I like to cut mine into pats. This helps the butter melt a little quicker. Then we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk and 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Now we're going to let this melt together over a low heat, and we're going to stir this constantly. Everything is all melted together. Now we're going to remove it from the heat and we're going to let it cool. So while our sauce is cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and prepare some fruits that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using a cantaloupe and a pineapple to serve with my Tipsy dip today. Our sauce is all cool. Now we're going to add the remaining ingredients. We have some coconut cream, we're going to add our dark rum, and finally some rum extract. And that is it. Mix well and enjoy. I'm pairing my dip today with cantaloupe and pineapple. And this is a tasty fruit dip with hints of caramel and delicious notes of rum, resulting in a tipsy dip. So please dip responsibly. Guys, this simple tipsy dip can be paired with many other items, not just fruit. I call it a fruit tipsy dip. However, it has more of a caramel base. It is so delicious, and you can easily pair this with just a regular butter pound cake. So tasty. So guys, always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.